Porter is under a complete HVAC rehab right now. So all the rooftops will be replaced. So all the boxes in each individual classroom are being replaced. All new thermostats for every classroom. Even some of the diffusers in the ceiling are all getting replaced. And also the exhaust fans on the roof will be replaced. The Trane rooftop units that are existing now are from 1994. Even though you can keep up the PM as much as you can, the preventative maintenance, changing filters and belts, but the equipment sits outside, so it's under the weather.
Having an updated HVAC system here at Porter is going to make all of our students and staff comfortable in their learning spaces. So we're not going to have days where the temperature is way up or way down and the students are very cold or very hot and not being able to focus on their learning because they're more focused on how cold they are or they're sweating, that they'll just have a comfortable learning atmosphere and be able to get right to work and enjoy learning.
We are doing 7 roofs this year. We're doing Oakville Middle, Beasley, John Kerry, Blades, Porter, and MHS, and also we're going to do the pool this fall. Roof replacement, we go off a 20-year roof schedule, and pretty much when we hit that 20-year mark, the roof's ready to be replaced. When you get to the end of the life cycle, you start seeing more leaks.
Our baseball softball facility is it's one facility for both sports. We are one of the very few schools left in the entire, really the metropolitan area, but St. Louis County in particular, that's the case. It really requires us to keep a dirt infield, so the lip that goes from the dirt to the grass is always needing to be maintained, and it's just a hard thing to do. We don't have proper drainage in order to allow for the water to run away, so there's always a thicker lip from where the dirt to the grass grows, and it's not safe.
So we are going to regrade the field, laser level it, new sewers, new drainage, new irrigation system, new fence, new backstop.